Ever felt that gut-wrenching feeling when your perfectly crafted Google Tag Manager events just vanish in Google Analytics? Let's dive into why your precious data might be Mia, covering the common culprits behind event tracking failures. First, a quick check: your tag's publish status. Has your GTM container actually been published? If it hasn't, your events will be stuck in limbo. Then, focus on your tag configurations. A common oversight is a mismatch between your trigger and the tag. Double-check parameters like event names, variables, and the Google Analytics configuration setup is correct. Next up, those triggers. Ensure your trigger rules accurately reflect when the event should fire. Verify that the trigger precisely aligns with the user interaction you're tracking. A button click, video play, or form submission. Mistaken URLs or parameters can easily cause the events to not work. It's crucial to utilize Google Tag Manager's preview mode to diagnose the problem. Enable preview mode. Then test your interaction. You can see if the tag's firing correctly and the data is being passed. Inspect the data layer to see the different variables and parameters in action with the real-time behavior. If the tag isn't firing, examine the trigger rules closely. If the tag is firing, but you still don't see it in Google Analytics, check your Google Analytics settings. Is the property configured with the correct tracking ID? Make sure the Google Analytics property has not missed any key settings. Fixing these common issues will help you successfully track event data. Make sure you understand your goals before configuring your tags and that all of your data is correctly configured. Now track those valuable insights. #GTM issues #Analytics Troubleshooting.